Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create or make star icons in your whiteboard presentations on Microsoft Whiteboard. So let us get started. So head over to your presentation Microsoft Whiteboard, and as you can see I created a star icon like this. It is actually very simple, so let us guide you through this. So what you want to do, guys, is start by adding a shape to your presentation. Let me go with that blank canvas here, make some space. So what you want to do is take a look at that list of options at the bottom. Amongst these you will see the add shape or line feature here to the right. Click into it, and just right from the get-go, guys, as you can see there's unfortunately no star icon or shape available here. So we will need to apply a trick here to overcome this obstacle. So you may use a rectangle for that, like this, or a triangle or a diamond. It's up to you, guys. You can use several or various of these shapes for this trick. I'm going to go with a simple diamond shape like this one here. So what you want to do is click into it and to draw your diamond. Press and hold left shift to stabilize it, and that's it. So the trick here is, guys, that you simply duplicate that diamond shape or any other rectangle you're using for this method. Remove the border color so that it has the same color as the fill here, as the inner part of the rectangle, and that you simply slightly rotate the second the duplicated rectangle so that it creates a perfectly shaped star icon like this. So in this case here, what you would need to do, guys, is make sure that the fill color as well as the border color have the same color. So let's go again with the gray color, for instance. Click into the color picker for the fill and also for the border, and select the same color for the border, just like that. So what you want to do after that is simply left click into your shape, click into these three dots here, select duplicate, and that's it. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply rotate your rectangle so that it is turned or rotate to, I'd say, 45 degree, something like that. And after that, simply move it over your first rectangle. You will also see these grid lines for orientation, showing you that it fits perfectly and that it overlaps the first rectangle, just like that. And that's basically it. And the last step, guys, what you want to do is simply left click, hold your left mouse, and draw a box around that so that both rectangles or both shapes are selected, and now you can move them around as if they were one shape, in this case here a star. And that's basically it. It's pretty simple, as you can see, but it's the only way how we can create star icons or symbols here in your whiteboard presentations, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.